In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at adding two of the more common planes, at least in my opinion. One is a midplane. We want to put a plane between two faces, typically for symmetry. So we can extrude in two directions or cut in two directions or mirror features, whatever the case may be. And the other is to create an offset plane, a plane that we set from another face or from another plane. And it is just based on distance. So I'm just going to use this part to demonstrate on, but we're just looking to add the plane. Once we have the plane, we can sketch on it, and then we can add or remove material based on that. So in our construct tool, we have the option to choose quite a few different plane types, but we're going to take a look at two of them today. Probably the easiest one is the midplane. And to create a plane down the middle, all I have to do is select two opposing faces. So if I select this vertical surface and I orbit and I select this opposing face, you can see that I am getting a plane right here that goes down the middle. I can stretch this plane out. I can make it infinite. But now I have a plane that I could start sketching on so that I could add or remove material. So we'll take a look at that one real quick one more time. If I want a plane down the middle, construct, midplane, and I can select any two opposing faces, and I will get a plane that bisects those two faces that I've selected on. So there it is. So that's a midplane. A plane is an offset plane. If I pick a given surface, I can then tell the program how far I want. If I want it, 10 millimeters away, this part's in metric, I have now created a plane that is now 10 millimeters away from that given face. I can send it in the opposite direction. You just have to type in a negative number. So if I pick a given face and I construct a offset plane, I can put in a distance. This one happens to be a negative. If I put in a distance of minus 20, except that one did not take. Sorry, I didn't hit minus. I think I only hit 2. An offset plane, this face, I want it to go this way, so there's a negative number, minus 20. I hit point, not minus. It was 0.2. I have created the plane that is 22 millimeters from this front edge. So two of the more common plane types, a midplane and an offset plane.